Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo.
Hello from Padova, Italy, also known as Padua, Italy, depends on who you're talking to. The Italian way of saying it is Padova, the English way of saying it is Padua, or it could be the other way around. Maybe the Italians say it Padua and we say it Padua, I don't know. Either way, we're in Padova, Italy. And we have this really awesome Airbnb that's several floors. It's 1, 2, 3 floors up. The first floor here is the foyer, the second floor is our bedroom, and the third floor is the living room and the kitchen. So I'm gonna give you a tour. What do you think, Jay? What do you think? Do you wanna head on up and see Brownie? We should go up and see him. So here's our front door. And here's the stairs when you first come in. Place where you leave the keys. A mirror.
Ma ci settuato gino d'amor, delle belle tornando al riposo, ma ci settuato gino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, grande stacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco.
Say welcome, welcome. And there's a little balcony out here, which I'll open in a little bit and let James go out. And here is our bedroom. Nice big bedroom with all of our stuff.
Il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombardie, di cannoni.
I'm gonna get our lunch. Chris makes sandwiches. James wants some too. Whenever we have travel days, Chris makes sandwiches for us. So we will take those upstairs.
Quell'aria brillante, non più fra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle tornando al riposo, ma ci settuato gino d'amor, delle belle tornando al riposo, ma ci settuato gino d'amor.
Oh, hey.
I thought you were hiding.
I am. I'm waiting for you to finish your tour.
Here's your sandwiches.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
Let's show everyone the third floor. So as you turn to the right, there is another room in here. It's another bedroom, I suppose, if you had a bunch of people. This might be a nice little place for me to sit and read. And the view. It's a pretty day. And here's the bathroom. It's very pink. Nice and bright. Got a nice view while you're taking a shower. And then I'll show you the living room.
Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel vermiglio d'onesco color, quel vermiglio d'onesco color. Non più avrai quei panacchini.
I thought this was kind of neat. So this lifts up, and that's how you access the burners. But it's really nice, it's really bright. There's a lot of windows. It's a cool space.
Did you see the balcony?
I did. There's also one downstairs with like iron gates where James could maybe go out and watch some people.
I wonder if I drew a picture of you and hung it on the wall here, if they would notice.
Probably. Brownie's a comedian. Come on out, Poodle. there's our rack for hanging our clothes to dry. Nice pretty day. Wow, this is nice. This is really nice. I like this place. Come on, Poodle. Come on in.
Con le nevi e salioni al concerto di tromboni, di bombardie di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più frai quei panechini.
Okay, so we've been in this place for more than one night now, and you know, sometimes when there's more than one of you, you think, gosh, it'd be nice to have 2 bathrooms. Well, this place has 1. Until I just discovered something. Check this out. Don't fall down the stairs.
Okay.
I didn't think about that. You okay there?
I'm laughing so hard I'm drooling. I can't breathe. Oh my god, my back hurts. I just fell. Ow! It really hurts. I don't want to catch myself on my arm, but that hurts too. Okay. I think we need to continue on the tour.
Okay. Who would have thought, huh? An outhouse. A literal outhouse.
Well, it has a window.
Yeah, but it's not heated. It's 37 out.
And Chris's big fear is that someone's going to come lock him in. You're not getting out if that gets latched on you.
Nope. Especially because then they'll close these and go inside and ignore you.
James and I sat out here yesterday for like an hour just soaking up the sun and doing a little bit of people watching. There's not a lot of people that come into this little courtyard, but it was fun.
Quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non chiudrai farfallone amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo.
This is the key to our front door. I mean, that's just crazy. Who has a key that looks like that?
We do.
I mean, when she handed it to me, I thought it was a keychain. I didn't know it was the key to the front door. Ooh, there's some cold air coming through that keychain.
But check out this lock. Like, it's serious. You got that.
Here too.
You got this little catch that gets on this guy right here. This is a serious door. All steel around there. You got poles sticking out on the ends. This is a vault, but it's nice wood.
Let's lock it up and head into town.
Quel cappello, non più frai, quella chioma, non più frai, quell'aria brillante. Non più frai farfallone amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad uncino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad uncino d'amor. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar. Cherubino alla vittoria, alla gloria militar. Alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.
Okay, so this is the top floor, and I think you've seen most of it, but come this way. Bathroom's down here with a shower and everything. In this room, we decided to call this the waiting room. It's probably another bedroom, but we call it the waiting room because there's a nice couch and stuff in here and a reading lamp while you're waiting for your turn in the restroom. At least that was before we found out about the outhouse. So now there's no need
now
to
you
wait.
don't have to wait.
James likes it in here.
James likes the waiting room.
It's quiet and we don't bother him.
We're really loud and obnoxious.